Here we are once again on the wild waters of the Tug Fork of the Big Sandy River in the outlaw country, Mingo County, West Virginia, creating the border between West Virginia and old Kentucky, and a little piece of Virginia as well. A few miles upstream from Bloody Matewan and the Hatfield-McCoy feud territory. That'll catch the tourists. This little section of river is about 7.5 miles running from Panther to Warncliffe, just over the mountain from Gilbert, the home of the Trail Fest. Come here and paddle some of the finest Class 1 and Class 2 gnar, probably the gnarriest gnar in all of Mingo and Logan County. Go right on ahead and set your shuttle along the tracks, the dirt path, as we prepare you for the how-tos, the what-fors, and the whenevers of navigating the wild rapids on this December day after Christmas but before New Year's. We haven't missed out on anything. When the water gets up, we get out. Dry suits, booties, and all, we can run it year-round, ready to go, Wesson mode, out on our adventures. If your town has a river, we're coming over. On every waterway we can find, be on the lookout for a red Camry with a roof rack, packing a couple inflatable kayaks, maybe a canoe, and a couple wreck boats, ready to try anything that floats.
That's the chute, and then see that tree hanging over? It kind of looks avoidable, but once you get down there, you're right under it. This might bottom out right here. It's definitely gonna bottom out. Yeah, got it.
A couple of goofy dudes looking for a good time, river ratting our time away. We love snacks and beer, but don't let us get in your car because chances are we got mud on our boots. It's always safety first around here. Avoid the logs, sweepers, and strainers. Swim with your feet up because there's no such thing as a butt-in trap. Eddie is your friend, so get in good with him. Always wear a PFD and wear one that fits, you chubby bastard. Tell the boys to leave the sea donkeys at home. It's going to warm up soon and it's time to get y'all on the water. As always, thanks for checking it out. See you on the next one.
See, if you were there, you'd go right into that probably. Yeah. Yeah, they'll have to have a tow truck. Got me and Mo, we just did the Tug Fork, Panther to Warren Cliff, getting out. December, almost the new year. It's pretty cold, but not too cold. It's supposed to get colder, so we took advantage of it, got out on the water today. I had a good day. What about you, Mo?
Oh, it was a great day.
Great day on the water. So thanks for checking it out. See you on the next one. You see it up there? The eagle.
Oh, yeah.
He may just sit there, just go on by.